Isa sa mga culture kasi dito sa company is meron kang target pero moving. Always moving.
Mahirap yung experience, hindi siya madali, pero eventually, yun talaga yung kailangan kong kailangan kong training para magawa ko yung function ko ngayon.
Hindi madali na sa umpisa talaga pagdadaanan mo siya. Pero hindi siya all throughout ng journey mo dito, hirap.
Minsan gusto mo na ano ba to? Bakit ko na-experience to? Kaya obligasyon ko pa ba to? Pwede ba tumigil na? May experience mo siya along the way eh. Pero again, it's always the journey, not the destination. Yun lagi yun eh. Then may isip mo, teka, bakit nga ba ako nandito?
We started like everyone else. Okay, we wanted to start a business. We wanted more unique, so we came up with our own brand. Then we faced a lot of challenges, and we learned from those challenges. Now we may move to the next, and we met again different challenges, different situations. Then we survive it. We move again to the top. It's a typical growth story, if you want to ask.
I started meeting Joey when I was a professor at the Asian Institute of Management. Joey was having his business and he was part of the entrepreneur program. And Joey's particular ambition was to take Versa from where it was and move it to a national and international brand.
Before, we were chasing the wrong things. Okay? If you tell a group of people, okay, let's chase this one, let's say an objective, let's chase this one, then everybody's looking at that target. Okay? Now, the problem with that mindset is they forget about themselves, the very people who would chase that target. But if you focus on the people, reaching the target is effortless.
Yung opportunity, nandun na eh. It's up to you na lang if you want to grab it eh. So, kung gusto mong mag-shine, mag-grow, take it. Take the risk.
It's a journey kung ano yung question na binigay sa akin nung na-interview din ako, which is what is my ultimate dream in life.
The fact kasi na binigay sa'yo yung opportunity, you should always strive na parang, alam mo yun, magawa mo siya ng tama, maayos, and strive to be the better version of yourself.
For me, nakitaan ko yung sarili ko na sobrang nag-grow ako kasi meron pala akong ganong na mag-lead ng tao.
Binigyan ako ng opportunity na magsalita, binigyan ako ng opportunity na ma-practice, binigyan ako ng opportunity na maging leader.
Nung OJT ako, when I was 19 years old, lahat kasi inikutan ko eh. Technician, admin, marketing, lahat inikutan ko. And then, nung tapos na yung OJT ko, kumatok ako kay Joey. Sabi niya, ano bang gusto mong maging? Sabi ko, gusto ko kayong palitan. Surprisingly, hindi siya tumawa. Ang ginawa lang niya, sinabi niya, sigurado ka ba? Sabi ko, opo.
When a person gives their dreams, their hope sa isang bagay or sa company, it becomes sustainable. Kasi hindi money, hindi pera, hindi fame or even glory ang habol niya dyan eh. Yeah, no? It's also ownership that I'm growing with this company.
Every day that you go to work, every day that you do work is an opportunity to shine.
Para siyang entablado na para ipakita ko yung talent ko. Binigyan ako ni Versa ng creative freedom, especially when it comes sa technology, sa tech side, to choose ko ano yung pwede kong gamitin, pwede kong i-explore na makakapagpa-improve din sa company and at the same time makapag-improve din sa sarili.
Recently ko lang na-realize na malayo na pala yung na-achieve ko, not just yung position ko sa company, but technically, yung technical knowledge ko actually. I remember yung mga senior ko back then, of course, senior mo sila, so titingalain mo sila, like, ang galing naman ito. Pero, na-realize ko na yung ginagawa nila before, nagagawa ko na rin ngayon.
Kailangan kong ibalik Alam mo yun, kung ano yung binigay nilang chance sa akin. Bukod doon, dahil gusto kong ibigay sa kanila yung kung ano yung ina-expect nila sa akin para sa sarili ko na din.
So, 3 kaming OJT na si Miss Sheila, then yung isa si Brian. Technically, as an electronics graduate, marami ako natutunan dito.
Si Versa, yung pagiging platform niya is nakatingin siya kung sino yung empleyado or sino yung employee ni Versa na mayroong potential sa isang field.
Of course, working with Versa is not for everyone. For one, we have the values, we have the vision, mission. Everybody should be aligned with that. No? If you're not aligned with that, then Versa is not for you. So Versa are warriors. No? So it's a warrior culture. So it's competitive, it's hard, sometimes it's even harsh. So lalo na expansion is fast. Pag hindi ka makasabay, hirapan ka. So
Joey is very ambitious. He has super big plans. So it's very demanding. It's demanding for everybody. And so there's a variety of things you need to do and you have to go beyond your usual comfort zone.
So, every time na may sinusulat kami sa maliit na notebook, kasi si Joey yun ang hilig niya magsulat sa maliit na notebook, ito yung kailangan mangyari. Siniseryoso namin yon. Hindi option ang mag-stop or mag-quit na tama na, di ba? Dito na lang tayo, okay na tayo dito, komportable na Hindi Di ba? Wala yun sa core values mo, wala yun sa foundation mo.
For me, technology has no borders. You have the opportunity to learn tech from another place in the same manner that you can share whatever tech you were able to develop in your specific territory to other territories. So the barriers is one of your objectives to eliminate. I know it's hard, but I know also we can do it. Yeah, so you just have to decide. Yeah, so you die trying. This is what a Versa warrior means, right? So you die trying.
Kasi every time I ask kung ano yung ultimate dream ng tao, by heart and by soul, talagang siniseryoso namin siya. Bakit ko siya hindi sinusukuan? Kahit sinong tao. Lalo na kapag nakikita namin na lumalaban. Kasi that's the same story nung sinabi ko na gusto kong maging leader ng kumpanya. Yun lang din naman yun Hindi lang din naman ako sinukuan So anong karapatan ko para sukuan ng mga tao? Wala. Yung ganong ambisyon, yun yung gusto kong ibigay sa mga Versa Warriors. Diba? Mag-ambisyon ka lang. Tapos hingin mo. Tapos panindigan mo. Diba? Huwag kang mag-quit. Huwag mong sabihin hindi mo kaya. Panindigan mo lang yan. Diba? Mabilis ang magdesisyon. Ang paninindigan ng mahirap.
I'm grateful to be part of the journey of Versa. Kasi dito ako nag-learn, dito ako nag-grow. Dito rin yung may nagtiwala sa akin, sa kakayahan ko, bilang pagkatao.
Yung Sunday ng McDo dati, naiinggit pa ako nun sa mga klase ko kasi hindi ko siya kayang mabili. Sabi ko dati, ang swerte naman nila actually kasi baka may enough allowance sila para ma-afford nila yan or what. Yun, buti nga hindi ko tinanggap na ganun na lang yung maging situation. Nagustuhan ko din sa batang yun, natuto siyang i-embrace yung changes. Kahit masakit, yun, sama talaga painful siya kasi bago siya Yun naman yung ayaw natin yung komportable tayo, tapos ayaw natin ng pagbabago somehow.
The fact na nahihirapan ako, ibig sabihin, may expectation sa akin. Ibig sabihin, may naniniwala sa akin. Binibigyan ako ng opportunity na ipakita kung ano ang meron ako.
Kaya grateful kasi ako nung inalis nila ako sa comfort zone ko.
Yung comfort zone na yun kasi yung pumipigil sa'yo na, na mag-step up ka sa mga bagay.
I'm grateful for the hard work of people. Even those who left, they all left a mark. Most of them, they did a good job, and they have to be reminded, and we should be grateful for that.
Every time na lumalabas ako, kasi sales ako before every time lumalabas ako, excited ako dahil ang nakukuha mo dun sa kliyente, it's not really the benta, it's the advice, no? Yung mentorship. Alam mo, ito yung dapat mong gawin Alam mo, ito yung ganito.
This is for someone who's still having a hard time understanding why is he in Versa, or he doesn't really get the Versa way. You should start with yourself. What can you actually do or willing to do for the team?
Here at Montana condominium along Silverado Ranch Avenue, Las Vegas,
15 years of mistakes would only translate to 15 years of learning, right? If you have the wrong mindset, that's 15 years of downfall. But we translated every failure to a learning and never do that again. Okay, we're better 2 times, 3 times, until we're better 10 times because of we learned this small thing. Yeah, and we know that in the next 15 or so, we'd still learn because there are a lot of failures ahead. But we all take that as an opportunity to learn.